The second most common question I get when I'm consulted about a personal injury case is, how much is my case worth? Well, that depends on what your damages are. Generally, you are going to be compensated for the work that you missed as a result of the accident, and your medical bills are going to be compensated. The big variable is how much is a case worth in terms of pain and suffering. The law says you are entitled to compensation for pain and suffering. If the case goes to trial, that's determined by what a judge or a jury thinks is reasonable. And there are many factors that go into that. One is, what does the injury look like? Is there a scar? Is there a permanent disfigurement? The second is the description of the injury from either a doctor or another type of physician who says, well, the patient suffered a severe break and is going to have permanent disability. That also plays into a jury or a judge's consideration of how much it's worth. The third is the actual pain. And you can't testify and make a jury feel that same pain, but if the injury is the type that makes people on a jury think, I would hate to have that. I wouldn't want to live with that for days or weeks or months, then your case is going to be worth a lot of money. If it's more transient and it's something that the doctors who testify will abate over time, or you say, well, it's not nearly as bad as it used to be, I think I'm going to be very competent to do all of my daily activities soon, I'm pretty much pain-free, then it's not going to be worth as much. So there are a whole range of variables, and I do tell my clients at the beginning of every case, what a jury considers and what a judge considers are extremely variable, and it can vary from one judge to another judge, one jury to another jury. It's very important that we understand that what you see on TV about million-dollar verdicts doesn't happen all the time. It's very rare. Most juries and judges are very fair, and they think, if I was in this situation, what would I think is fair to compensate me for the pain that this person has been going through?